section 10.2, number 13. So we just want to write this, I think, in the summation form, so with the little symbol. So let's try to figure out a few things out. So first we want to decide, is this geometric or arithmetic? So like, are we multiplying or are we subtracting or adding? To me, it looks like we're multiplying, because 1/3 to 1/6 would be multiplying by -1/2. -1/6 to 1/2 would be times -1/2, right? So we're multiplying by -1/2. So this is geometric with a common ratio of -1/2. And our starting term is 1/3. And we have a formula for geometric. So we have k equals 1 up to n, so we'll figure out what that is in a second. And we have our starting amount times the ratio to the k minus 1 power. So our ratio is -1/2 and our a is 1/3. So 1/3 times -1/2 to the k minus 1 power. And we can just double check, because sometimes you can start at different, you could start at 0 or 2 technically, but we usually start at 1. But let's just make sure it matches. So let's make sure 1/3 times -1/2 to the 1 minus 1. Yeah, that would be -1/2 to the 0, which would be 1/3. So cool, that matches our first term. Maybe let's check the second one just to be extra sure. 1/3 times -1/2 to the 2 minus 1. Especially with negatives, sometimes you can have the negative like on the wrong term. So it's good to check that. So 1/3 times -1/2, and yeah, we get -1/6. So I feel pretty confident about this. So we're gonna start at 1, and then it looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to 6. So we'll stop at 6. You could also start at 0, which would kind of adjust this part and this part of the formula. So if you started at 0, your formula will look a little different than mine, but it'll still work, so there's not one solution. But I like to start at 1 because I think it's easy. First term, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So I hope this helps. Let me know if you have questions.